Hello guys, welcome on my channel 4 Weeks by David. Today review of the Smoke Leak Detector. This is great machine which helps you to find a leak in the inlet system or exhaust system as well. You can use it to check your fuel tank as well. You can check for leaks. How it works? So inside this tiny machine is built in air compressor, which builds the air and the air coming out through here. So basically you need to attach the cables into your car battery, and then you can hear the compressor. Yeah, the air compressor works like now. You can see. So air is accumulated in the exhaust or in the air system. It's two different attachment on this tool, but also you can get a bigger set which has a few sets of this attachment and plugs for block the other pipes. This is great as well. You can pump it with the air, and this would fit to the different shapes of the pipes of the exhaust as well. Yeah, this getting quite big if you pump it. How it works: inside in here is oil with the heater heats up the oil and we can get a smoke. Like here is the fluid what you need to use into the machine. I'm using the baby oil Johnson's. This is quite similar and works as well, and baby oil is a lot of cheap because the bottle like that you can get for a couple of pounds, and makes actually the same job what the special oil. So now I will turn on the smoke machine. So now it's just compressor, yeah, and when I press the switch, now the smoke will start coming out. Obviously, of course, we need to wait a few minutes because now you can see just the little amount of the smoke is not enough, yeah. But inside the exhaust or the air system, depends where you put this attachment, will be pressure of this air compressor and smoke. So it's also so easy to detect the actually leak. Yeah. So we're getting more smoke now. If we wait maybe half minute more, we get obviously more smoke because the heater starts heating up the oil. Yeah. And the pipe is attached into the inlet system, and you can check your air system for smoke. If you need to find exhaust leak, you put it into the back of your exhaust and you can check your exhaust system as well. Let's let me know guys what you think about it, if it's worth to buy it or not. I will put the link down in the description and in the comment as well. It's pretty a lot smoke, yeah. Yeah. So obviously machine needs 1 minute to warms up or something, yeah. Yeah. Let me know guys in the comments what you think about it.